How to fix zip pay verification failed. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection and make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. The other thing you want to do is use correct personal information. Ensure that your full name, date of birth, and address match your official documents. Even a small difference can cause this failure. Always go ahead and check your document photos. Use a high, clear quality photo and ensure all corners are visible, and make sure that your selfie is clear as well. The other thing you want to do is ensure that your documents are valid. Use a valid passport, driver's license, or national ID, and make sure that all the details are clear and not damaged. If your application is not up to date, simply go ahead and update it from your App Store or Play Store, and you can also check your notification in email to see what is the reason. And if nothing works, simply go ahead and contact Zip support at help.zip.co. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.